Okay, here we go with another healthy meal. The Crunch Wrap, just like the Taco Bell one, but this is healthier because we're using turkey here instead of ground greasy beef. So what do we need? We need one of these big, large, extra large size flour tortillas. So the big ones, the real big ones, and then these tostadas. They are called tostadas, and you see how they crunchy they are. You can find them in your local supermarket. And then you need some ground turkey, lean ground turkey, about the size of that tostada, because that's how we're gonna form our crunch wrap, just like Taco Bell's crunch wrap. So lettuce, tomato, onions, mayonnaise, any mayonnaise, and then I'm using a jalapeno paste there, but that's optional if you like it really spicy. So I'm gonna use my flat top here, and I'm gonna start grilling my ground turkey, just like a patty, but I made it like real flat, real thin, so it's better for the crunch wrap type of meal. So I'm gonna season it. You season the way you season any other ground beef, and we're gonna start preparing the other parts here. So I take my flour tortilla. This is the jumbo size, about 12 inches. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise there, right in the middle, and I'm gonna go with the lettuce right on top of the mayonnaise, just like that. The lettuce right on top of the mayonnaise, and tomatoes and the onions. Any of these things are optional, so if you want to leave anything out, that's up to you. I'm only giving you the idea here. So I'm gonna use about half of the cheese on this bottom part here, about a third or half of that cheese, grated cheese or shredded cheese, and because we're gonna do a few layers of cheese, and then the tostada is gonna go there right on top of our turkey patty here. This is lean, low fat, lean ground turkey, and I form it in this patty style, real thin, so it's easier for our crunch wrap. I'm gonna put a little bit of that jalapeno paste there. That's my taste. You can leave it out if you don't like spicy stuff, because it is really spicy. It's not just jalapeno, it's jalapeno paste, and it's really spicy. So we're gonna go with the turkey patty right there on top of the salad, and I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese here in this layer, just a little bit more cheese, and then I'm gonna top it with the tostada right on top of the turkey there, and the rest of the cheese you just dump it on top of that tostada, and this is what I'm gonna create that seal. So when we heat this up and put it over the skillet there, it's gonna remain closed. So little by little, we're gonna start wrapping this in from the outside in all the way around. You see, this might take some practice, but it's actually easy. And then you go here until you go all the way around like that, and here is your crunch wrap. So we're gonna use this part, the one that has all the layers there, and we're gonna go with that part down first over the skillet there, medium high heat, and we're gonna leave it there for about 2 minutes. We want to have that seal there and that beautiful color on the other side. Do not overdo it, do not burn it. It should be around 2 minutes, so if you're in doubt, you can lift it a little bit to make sure that it's right. So after about 2 minutes, we're gonna flip this over, and you see how beautiful they look. That's the color I'm looking for, and it's also all sealed because we toasted that way with the skillet and the cheese that is underneath there. So we're gonna give another 2 minutes on the other side as well, so the cheese get melted as well. And there you have it. There you have the crunch wrap that you made at home, a little healthier with lean ground turkey. There you have your Taco Bell style crunch wrap, ready to eat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this in half using a big knife. Just gonna go down one motion. Remember, there's that tostada in the middle, which makes the thing crunchy. That's why it's called the crunch wrap. And there you have it. There's your turkey crunch wrap, homemade lean turkey crunch wrap. There you have it. I hope you enjoy. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. So we're gonna put some more. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that jalapeno paste right in there before I taste this. Look how beautiful that turkey crunch wrap looks. Look at that. That's a beautiful lean turkey crunch wrap just like Taco Bell's, and we're gonna have to give it a try. So there you have it. There you have it. Crunch wrap, turkey crunch wrap. Oof. What can I tell you? What can I tell you? Another hit. Another hit. You gotta try it at home. You gotta try it. Turkey, lean turkey crunch wrap, homemade. I hope you enjoy it. Pass it on to your friends and family. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.